Hello and welcome. Welcome to Math CM, where we help you to build math skills and life skills. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a little bit about our Advanced Tutoring package and our Premium Tutoring packages. Alright, so for the Advanced package, it's basically going to be a small tutorial group. By small, I mean a ratio of 1 to 3, that is 1 teacher to 3 students. And this kind of tutoring may be secured for a month at a time. And how it will work, you will actually have 4 1-hour sessions over 4 weeks, or 8 1-hour sessions over 8 weeks, and you will lock in a particular day. So for example, you may have your tutorial session on a Monday from say 3:30 to 4:30, and there are other time slots as well. These may fill up fast, I'm not sure, but I'm quite sure if you act fast, you'll be able to secure one of those slots. Now, these tutorial packages may be bundled with or virtual in-person course like the CSEC optional objective course, or possibly the Algebra 2 course. Do know though that they can also be done alongside your school-based courses like your 9th grade math, or your 10th or 11th, or even college algebra or foundation of math. The only contingent is whether you're able to financially manage the entire slot for one-on-one, which is basically the premium service, or you can share with 2 other persons. Now, if this is something that you are desirous of taking advantage of, you can definitely check the information in the description below, or you can email us at services@mathcm or tutoring@mathcm. Either one of those will get you to the right person where you can learn more. Or the next best thing is to come in person at one of our physical locations, the one in Port Antonio, which is actually 14 Harbour Street, Port Antonio. Now, there's no need to struggle in a math class when you can get additional help. And by the way, I know some persons are saying, but I could just get my teacher to help me. Do know you have seen the Great Resignation, and you have seen many of these things, and do know that the teachers are severely stressed, as you probably know, and sometimes, as you know, they may not have the time to balance all of what they're doing with meeting every student's need. And also, to diversify your instruction would be very good as well. So do take advantage of these tutorial packages. Select the one that fits your need, and let us have a talk. Let us see how we can help you. So thanks for watching, and see you either in tutoring or in class or in the next video. All right.